Have you ever sat down to create content and suddenly forgotten everything you wanted to say? You open your laptop. You stare at a blank screen. 30 minutes later, you've written nothing. Meanwhile, your competitors are posting every day, growing their audience, attracting clients, and building authority. The truth is, most entrepreneurs don't struggle because they lack knowledge. They struggle because they lack a system. What if you could sit down for just 1 hour and create enough content for the next 30 days? Not by copying others, not by using generic AI outputs, but by building a repeatable content machine that generates ideas, scripts, posts, and captions on demand. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how entrepreneurs are using ChatGPT to create a month's worth of content in less time than it takes most people to write a single post. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete AI-powered content system you can use every month. Let's begin. Before creating content, we need to solve the biggest problem. Most people create content randomly. Random content creates random results. Successful creators don't post randomly. They follow a content strategy. The first step is identifying your content pillars. Content pillars are the main topics your audience wants to learn about. For example, here at SkillYield Lab, our pillars include AI tools, side hustles, remote jobs, high-income skills, personal finance, and investing. These pillars become the foundation of everything we create. Open ChatGPT and use this prompt. Act as a content strategist. Generate 5 content pillars for a business that helps people build skills, income, and wealth. Within seconds, we'll have a clear content framework. Now that we have our pillars, it's time to generate content ideas. Most creators run out of ideas because they ask the wrong question. Don't ask, "What should I post today?" Ask, "What questions is my audience asking every day?" Use this prompt. Generate 20 content ideas about AI side hustles for beginners. Focus on common mistakes, opportunities, myths, tools, and success stories. 1 prompt can generate dozens of content ideas. 5 prompts can generate hundreds. This means you'll never run out of content topics again. Now let's organize those ideas. Ask ChatGPT. Categorize these ideas into beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels. This helps you guide your audience through a learning journey. Next, we create a 30-day content calendar. This is where the magic happens. Instead of creating content 1 day at a time, we're creating an entire month at once. Prompt: create a 30-day content calendar using these content pillars. Include educational, inspirational, and promotional content. Presented in a table. Now we have topics, but topics don't create content. Execution does. Let's generate actual posts. Choose 1 topic. For example, 5 AI tools every entrepreneur should use in 2026. Prompt: ChatGPT. Create a LinkedIn post using storytelling, actionable tips, and a strong call to action. Now take the same idea and repurpose it. Ask, turn this LinkedIn post into a YouTube script, an Instagram caption, a Facebook post, a Twitter thread, a newsletter introduction. This is called content multiplication. 1 idea becomes 5 pieces of content. 5 ideas become 25 pieces of content. 30 ideas become an entire content ecosystem. Now, let's improve quality. Many people complain that AI content sounds robotic. That's because they're using weak prompts. Use prompts like, write in a conversational tone. Use real-world examples. Avoid corporate jargon. Sound like an experienced entrepreneur teaching a friend. The difference is remarkable. Next, let's create YouTube content. Prompt: create a high-retention YouTube script with a powerful hook, open loops, practical lessons, and a compelling call to action. ChatGPT can generate video titles, thumbnail ideas, descriptions, tags, script outlines, video hooks, audience questions, everything needed for content production. Now let's automate consistency. At the end of each month, save your best prompts. Build your own prompt library. Over time, you'll create a content system that becomes faster and more effective. Here's the complete 1-hour workflow. 10 minutes. Generate content pillars. 10 minutes. Generate content ideas. 10 minutes. Build content calendar. 15 minutes. Create posts and scripts. 15 minutes. Repurpose and optimize. 1 hour. 30 days of content. Imagine never worrying about content again. Imagine opening your calendar and already knowing exactly what to post every day. That's not just productivity, that's leverage. Today's challenge: create your own content machine. Generate 5 content pillars. Create 30 content ideas. Build a 30-day content calendar. Write 3 social media posts. Create 1 YouTube script. Save your best prompts. By the end of today, you'll have more content than most creators produce in a month. The creators winning in 2026 aren't necessarily smarter. They're simply using better systems. And ChatGPT is one of the most powerful content systems available today. If you're serious about building your audience, business, and income, start implementing what you've learned immediately. Knowledge creates possibilities. Implementation creates results. In the next episode, we'll go beyond content creation and dive into marketing. You'll learn how to use ChatGPT to create high-converting ads, sales pages, lead magnets, email funnels, and marketing campaigns that attract customers automatically. If content gets attention, marketing generates revenue. And that's exactly what we'll build next. Comment below, what takes you the longest when creating content? If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to SkillYield Lab, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. Because in this series, we're not just learning AI, we're building systems that create income, save time, and help entrepreneurs grow faster. I'll see you in the next episode. Remember, people who create content occasionally get attention. People who build content systems build businesses. The question is, which one will you become?